Hi healthcare professionals, are you interested in enhancing your patient care? Are you looking to learn new skills to boost your practice and increase your revenue? If so, you need to learn about this incredible healing power of cupping therapy. This is an Asian therapy which has been used for centuries all over the world to treat a variety of conditions including pain, respiratory issues, skin issues, menstrual disorders, even for rejuvenation and detox. Hi, I'm Dr.Seemaa Malik, Ayurvedic consultant and a wellness trainer with 18 years of clinical experience. Do you know cupping therapy will also help to maintain health and wellness of your patients, making your practice offering a unique and in-demand service that excel your practice apart from the rest. During this workshop, you will learn how to incorporate this clinical cupping therapy into your clinical practice with modern techniques and technologies. Don't miss this opportunity. Click the link below, join the workshop, take action now and start providing your patient with the best possible care while boosting your practice.